Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can transfer Wix Premium subscription to another site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. In the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder and to create a new site. Here in the center of the page, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. And if you go to the top right corner, you're going to find your profile icon. So right now, go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then here you're going to find your name, your email address, and right under it, you're going to find account settings. So right now, go ahead and click on account settings, and then you're going to be taken to your settings page. Basically, guys, right here, you're going to find all of the settings related to your Wix account. So right now, here in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find domains, business email, vouchers, filing history, premium subscriptions, payments methods, and lastly, Wix payment accounts. So right now, go to premium subscriptions, and then right here, you're going to find the list that includes all of your premium subscriptions. As you can see, guys, in my case, I don't have any premium subscription yet. That's why I have this message right here, and the list is empty. So basically, guys, if you already have a premium subscription in one account, it's pretty easy to transfer it to the other account. So you just have to go here to premium subscription in the Wix settings and then select the subscription that you want to transfer. And then next to it, you're going to find three dots. Go ahead and give it a click. And once you click on the three dots, you're going to find these options right here. So once you click on these dots, you're going to find the option to update payments method assigned to a different site. So this is the option that we want. Click on assign to different site and then just choose the site you want to assign the premium plan to. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.